Hi, boys and girls. I am doing our ELA video today. Actually, two different things we're doing. The first one is going to talk about singular and plural nouns. We've talked a little bit about this already this week, but I have my projectable here, which I'm hoping you're able to see. Of course, we know a noun is a person or place or thing or animal. Singular noun means there's only one. A plural noun means there's more than one. There can be two. There could be 2,000,000 in two, as long as it's more than one. And when we have a noun that's more than one, we hear the S sound at the end, almost like a Z sound. For instance, here are eggs. How many eggs are there? 1, 2, 3. So that's plural. So we would write the word egg, E-G-G, and add the S to show that there's more than one. My friend has 1 egg. I have 3 eggs. How many rings are there? There is only 1, singular. So we don't add anything to the end of the word ring. That is a beautiful ring. And if you look at this boy, it looks like he's playing with blocks or toys. So is he playing with just one item? No. Looks like he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, it could be lunch. I'm not even sure what that picture is, but he has 6 toys. And I could be wrong with that. Not just one. So we would add the letter S to the end. Now let's look at this picture. That's a picture of a dog. It has just one dog, so no S at the end of the word dog. Over here, we have 1 cat, 2 cats. So we add the S to the end of the word cat because that is plural. There is more than 1 cat. There are 2 cats. These are dishes. There's a pile of dishes. There's definitely more than one. So instead of saying 1 dish, we would say there are a lot of dishes to wash. And the last picture is frog. There is a cute frog in the pond. When we say that with no S, we know that there's only one, just like this picture. So I'm going to stop share and now go back to share and using my whiteboard because I want to switch gears now because you are going to pick a sight word today for the writing part to write a sentence. And I just want to go over that again with our guess and go spelling, inventive spelling. So let's say I am going to pick the sight word went. All right, this is the word I chose, went. So I know how to spell went because you can look at your book, your reader's notebook, and see that. So the first thing I do, I don't just write down, think of my sentence. I want to make sure it makes sense. So I think I will write, she went to the park. That makes sense. She went to the park. So my first word is she. This is one of our older sight words. She. Notice the first letter is in capital S. And of course, you use your finger space, She went. I know how to spell went. It's our word for this week. She went, finger space, to. Another one of our sight words, to. The. I remembered that word, how to spell it, because we've had that one for our sight word. Park. P-ark. Now, when I listen to the sounds, p-ark. And then, of course, we would end it with our end mark. In this case, I chose a period. Now, when I look at this, she went to the park. I could tell that the P-R-K would mean park if you brought this to me to read for something you did. However, it is missing our A. but you did listen to the sounds. So when you do your sentence writing, if you're not sure how to spell words, listen to the sounds in the words, write the letters that match those sounds. And then a family member, mom, dad, older brother, sister, can help you to correct it. Now, the word park, we hear mostly the R and not the A. We call him, and you'll learn more about this in first grade, he's a very bossy R. He wants to make most of the sound. So when you pick your sight word, rule number 1, sentences start with an uppercase letter. Rule number 2, finger space between each word. Rule number 3, remember your proper end mark. I wouldn't end this with a question mark. This is a statement telling me something. Rule number 4, just listen to the sounds in the word you are spelling. Don't let it stop you from writing your sentence. So that is it for our ELA video today. And let me see, looking at my plans, I do not have a video for tomorrow, for Thursday, but you will be picking a different sight word. So if you need to, just refer to this to help you to write that. So I will see you then. Enjoy your day.